So, I'm going to unbox this J&T parcel. So, I'll just put it here. Okay. Just to make sure that the item, yes, I'm doing. So, just to make sure that the item is safe and it's not broken or something. So, I'll just do a video. Okay. So, it has a paper bag. There you go. Vivo. Next one. There you go. Oh, it's quite big. See? I mean, Caesar. So, there you go. So I think I just cut it anywhere. Oops. There you go. Another bubble plastic bubble, whatever. Ooh, so big, see, like bigger than my phone. So, huh?
Laki ah.
Yeah. Oh, I think the box only is big. So these are the freebies. We have casing, transparent one.
Original.
It's original. And there is a ring. What's this? Charger?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a charger there. I don't want to open it. It's okay. So lazy to open this one. And a phone.
Ayan yan.
Huh?
Tempered glass.
What's this?
Ah.
No, I think no tempered glass. See?
Complete. A tempered glass.
But I think they didn't put yet. So this is it. Vivo. How is it? How to see? Okay. What?
Ganda, no? Nipis din.
Yeah. There you go. And then I'm going to see. Where's the tempered glass? Where's the tempered glass?
May kasama raw ba?
Yeah, it was a tempered glass. So there's a
Ilalim.
headset and a charger.
Ilalim wala.
No more. See? No more here.
Sa loob ng ano.
Don't have.
Makalagay na nila.
So you think this is tempered glass?
Oo.
Huh?
Tempered glass.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Oh, yes. Yes, sure. Tempered glass na yan.
Ooh. So now, I'm going to try to open it, okay? Oh my god, look at my hair. Okay, so open. Ah, it's lowbat. Why it's lowbat?
You need to charge those.
Supposed to have the charge, right? Even a small amount only. Never mind. So, this is it. Vivo V Pro.
V20.
V20 Pro, whatever.